Welcome back to Radiant Essence, your go-to channel for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that many of us overlook: the incredible benefits of natural skincare routines. Did you know that using natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and coconut oil can work wonders for your skin? Not only are they easily available, but they're also packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making your skin glow naturally. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, can help fight acne and clarify your complexion. Aloe vera, known for its soothing effects, can calm irritated skin and reduce redness. And coconut oil, a great moisturizer, can hydrate your skin without clogging pores. Creating your DIY skincare products at home not only saves you money, but also ensures that you're using chemical-free, natural solutions tailored to your skin's needs. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Share this video with your friends who are skincare enthusiasts, and most importantly, subscribe to Radiant Essence for more beauty insights. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching. Stay beautiful, stay radiant. Until next time.